Hey Pat, great question, buddy. Let's have a look at her. Let me get a cool color. We have to find all values of x satisfying the given condition. Basically, just like solve for x, right? Find the answer. We know y1 is 1 over x, y2 is 1 over 8x, and y3 is 1 over x minus 6. And we have a little bit of modeling to do. So let's set that up first. 5 times y1, the sum of 5 times y1 and 2 times y2, so literally we have like 5y1 plus 2y2 is the product, so equals is the product of 6 and y3. So we're going to model this first. Next, I'll sub in some values here. So 5 times y1, well that's like 5 times 1 over x. And we'll go through, it's going to be 2 times y2, which is 1 over 8x, equals 6 times y3, which is 1 over x minus 6. So now let's multiply that out. Remember with fractions here, this is like 5 over 1, so it's really, this is going to be 5 over x plus 2 over 8x equals 6 over x minus 6. Okay, now I know you got there, so that's cool. Let's do the LCD now. The LCD is going to be 8x times x minus 6. The reason why, this is one factor. My next factor is right here, and x is part of 8x. It goes into there, so that's okay. What this means is we can make all of our equivalent fractions, or we can just do the LCD trick really by multiplying all this mess by our LCD. So let me do that. I'm going to write it all out too. X minus 6, I'll do it up here, 8x, x minus 6, and 8x, x minus 6. Okay? What I'm going to do, I like to divide first and then multiply. It's really a better way. Remember with BEDMAS, order of operations, we have our choice, right? Division and multiplication occurs left to right, but in this case we have the option. There's no real left to right. You could go this way or this way. We're both going left to right. Let's get out our canceling colors. Let's cancel. The x's are gone, so literally I'm left with 8 times 5, which is 40, times x minus 6. Just keep the brackets. Plus, now over here the 8x is gone, I'm left with 2 bracket x minus 6. Again, don't overthink it, just like stick the brackets together. Over here the x minus 6 is gone, and I'm left with 6 times 8x, which is 48x. Alright, and now we're getting there, because we just have some brackets we can distribute now. So I'll distribute the 40, I'll distribute the 2. Okay, that's going to give us 40x minus 240, plus over here 2 times x, 2x minus 12, and that equals 48x. And we're slowly but surely chipping her away now. We'll get there soon, I promise. Now let's combine some like terms. 10x plus 2x is 12x, minus 240 minus 12, that's minus 252, and that equals 48x. And what we're going to do now is I'll add 252. We're just doing straight algebra. You can like skip the rest of the video if you want. I have 12x, and I'm going to also subtract 48x to get my x's over. I'll just do it all in 2 steps. Hope that's okay. So that's going to equal 252. So 12 minus 48 is negative 36x. And that's going to equal 252. And we'll divide both sides by negative 36. Negative 36, and that should give us our variable, right? That's gone. 252 divided by negative 36, no clue. Get the add machine out. Negative 7. So there is our solution, buddy. Boom, negative 7. So again, if we want to go back up to our original starting like our modeling equation right here, we could really blast in 1 over 7, 7, and 7, and we should get a true statement. Alright, so I hope that helps, buddy. A lot going on there, but don't overthink the LCD. If you got 2 factors, put her in, and x goes as a part of that too. It's okay. Alright, if you miss that, if you put in the extra x, you probably still get it right. You just have way more algebra to do. Like you'd probably have all kinds of distribution and craziness like that. Hope that helps. Give me a shout if it doesn't. Take care.